This is Don Bosco Arts and Science College in Angadikadav, affiliated to Kannur University. Don Bosco Arts and Science College is recognized as a model college with its unique motto, grooming generations and leaving legacies. Don Bosco Arts and Science College is a model college because of its state-of-the-art infrastructure on par with the established colleges in cities. Don Bosco is a model college because of high-profile academic performance of students with university toppers and several A-grade and A+ holders in university examinations. Don Bosco is a model college because we secure 4th or 5th position in University Arts Fest, competing with the most established leading government colleges and aided colleges in Kannur University. Don Bosco is a model college because on an average 120 students secure grace marks in university sports with championship in tug of war. Don Bosco is a model college because we won the Best NSS Unit Award, the Best NSS Volunteer Award, and the Best NSS Program Officer Award in Kannur University. Don Bosco is a model college because we host a variety of campus fest. DISC, Don Bosco International Silver Screen Carnival, Campus Film Fest, organized by the Department of Journalism. We host Comet, the National Commerce Fest, organized by the Department of Commerce. We host Slate, the National Literature Fest, organized by the Department of English. We host Equinox, National Management Fest, organized by the Department of Management. We host DISBE, Don Bosco Inter-School Spell Bee Contest, organized by the PG Department of English. We host National Research Conference, organized by the Department of Social Work. Don Bosco is a model college because we strive towards self-regulated discipline and family ambience. We retain rapport between and among all stakeholders, students, staff, management, parents, and the public. Don Bosco is a model college because our teachers are highly esteemed for their competence, for their commitment, for their credibility, for their cordiality, for their personal follow-up of each and every student with caring accompaniment and timely interventions. I welcome you to this scenic, green, clean, and exquisite campus. The unparalleled Institute of Higher Education in Kannur University, managed and owned by Don Bosco fathers, having universities, colleges, and schools in 133 countries across the world.